Welcome to Gamer to Game Developer Series 1. I'm your instructor GTGD, and I'm going to show you how to use the Unity multiplayer system in Unity 2017. So I've completely replaced the old GTGD S1 that was on Steam. So this is the new GTGD S1. It's a lot more concise than the old one, a lot shorter, but a lot more useful. And why don't I just show it to you in action? So I'll just use it right now. Just launch it there and start it. So this is the launcher. So once you have GTGD S1 on your computer, you've installed it, you'll end up with this launcher, and then you can open the videos folder and from there watch the videos themselves. So they're all in MP4 format. You've got all of the project folders as well. So for the project folders, just copy them somewhere, unzip it, and then open it with Unity so that you keep your original files intact. And then you can also try out the built game, which is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to open 2 copies so that I can show you the multiplayer system in action. Alright, so I've got 2 copies open, and I'm going to call them like something different, each one. So this one, say, player red, and this one I'm going to call, say, player blue. And I can then select the character. All I've done is to make the blue guy the character 0 and the red guy character 1. So with this one I'll select character 1, with this guy I'll make sure it's character 0, and let's say I'll use this guy as the host. And I can actually select maps, map 1, map 2, I'll leave it as map 1 and then I'll join as map 2 to show you that you can change maps as well. And I'm going to go ahead and just create an internet match here. It'll just take a moment and then jump in. Alright, here we go, we're in game. Okay, so let me just go over to the other guy and enable the matchmaker. So enable matchmaking, because matchmaking is a public game. So this is a public game that's visible on the internet. So anyone who's running this game can actually find it. So here we go. You'll be developing all of this stuff, and you'll develop this UI, the custom network manager that drives this, and you can then be able to find internet matches. You can create an internet match. Obviously you saw that. You can then join an internet match, and once you're in, basically you'll be able to see the other character as well with animation. So you'll learn about syncing the animation across the network, displaying the player name, etc. They also have health bars, so you have shooting and health as well. So for example, if I just keep going ahead, shooting, okay, so the other player has been defeated and they're respawning. So you learn that as well. So let's go have a look. This guy is now moved off over here, and he's off here in the distance. Okay, so that was that sort of thing. Now you can also do chatting as well, so you'll learn how to do that. So you could, for example, send a chat message, and then it'll appear on the other player's output field. So why don't I say another one, say hello as well, and there we go. Our player blue has sent a hello message to the other guy. Okay, so that's excellent. And well, why don't I then show you about more or less connecting with another map. So I'll disconnect here and disconnect from this one too. And this time I'm going to say map 2, and I'm going to enable the matchmaker. I'm going to call this say map 2 as the room name and create that internet match. Alright, here we go. So this is a nighttime scene. This is map 2, and if I come over to the other guy, I can enable the matchmaker. I can find the internet match and then go ahead and connect. Okay, and there we go. I'm inside of the map 2, and that's it. Okay, so we've got our player character there. It's all synced and going. So that's excellent. So you'll learn all of that. It's not that difficult, but I'll show you how to do it all in a pretty simple way. You'll be done in under 4 hours. Basically, you'll have completed the project, all of this networking stuff. You'll have learned that. You'll understand how to use commands, client RPCs, sync vars, how to be able to, you know, as I told you, be able to select a scene, how to be able to select characters, and network chatting. And it's all pretty simple but fundamental stuff. Well, it's simple once you know how to do it, but it's all fundamental stuff. Alright, so all of that is covered in this tutorial series. You'll find basically the first instructional video, which is video 2, on the Steam page, so right there. So if I just jump over here, it's there for you to view. It'll also be on my YouTube channel as a sample as well, so you can go ahead and watch that before actually getting this. But if you've already gotten this, then you're watching me saying this. Well, I should say thank you very much for getting GTGD S1 and supporting my efforts. And also, I believe that you will find this to be quite beneficial. So I basically have been doing this sort of stuff for quite a few years, and well, from it, this is the updated version of all of my knowledge. So this is the best of what I could give you in terms of multiplayer game development in Unity at this time, and really in a concise way, and in a way that I've designed it so that you can actually walk away with the maximum benefit in the minimum amount of time. That's been my focus here. Alright, anyway, so I do hope you find this quite helpful, and yeah, please do give me feedback as you go through, and I'm also interested in seeing whatever you're working on, so yeah, feel free to make sure to post things of what you're working on in the community hub area, in the discussions. So anyway, thank you for that, and I'll see you later.
you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Purplies, purplies. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? As fuck, bro. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Purplies, purplies. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? As fuck, bro.